Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Here we are with another great video. This time it's all about this wonderful precision screwdriver set. I bought it and I think it's one of the best screwdriver sets I ever had. It's if you're doing regarding computer hardware or laptop repairs and etc like that, I believe this is the one that you have, and you got everything, or shall I say 99.9% of all the screwdriver sets that's on the market that they use today when they build the actual laptops or computers and so on and so on. So here is the box, just quickly just to go around. It is made by a Chinese company. This you can buy on Amazon, just to let you know. It's called EZARC. Yeah, EZARC. EZARC is a regarding the reviews that I've seen, that they are pretty good, pretty solid, and much reliable sets. So let's just open these quickly and let's just go ahead. There's nothing else in there. And they're nicely packed. So as you can see, I did not open these. Yeah, like usually in all my videos, I don't open them to see what they're in before I do the video. So in here you have these little cushions that protect the sides of the box. The box is very nice, not too big. Plastic, yeah, just to let you know. And he's got these hinges. Probably these hinges are not that great, but anyway. So let's just open them. Nicely opens and closes. Yeah. And here we are. So you have on the top bit here, top side, you got a card that tells you what is what, which is quite good. Yeah. So let's just move that on the side here. And here, and you've got a little compartment here for one of these. These are like the one for the guitars, yeah, you call them. I don't know how you call them because I'm not a musician, but anyway, you've got various other things that you can use for lifting up, getting into these little small, like I showed in one of my videos. You'll have a look, and this is like just to pull out all the for the monitor and etc. And you've got these little small precise ones. Let's have a look at this. Can we open this? No, usually sometimes you have that you can open them. This one you can't. This just goes around in circles. I presume that's, and you have the little extensions that you can put on, and all various things, which is quite good. And here we are. You have another one if you want to go a little bit more deeper into the if you can't reach the actual screw. That's a little extension of the actual screwdriver. And we have one of these. Oh, this is very sharp. You just have to be careful with these. That's why you have these protecting rubber things on here, and you put that in there. It is quite neat. Yeah, everything is in there as it's supposed to be. Well, that's how they designed it. And there isn't much that you can say about this little box, but it's nice to have. And you can use them. Yeah, this is very thin. See, absolutely fantastic. You know, for little niddly bits. If you want to repair a hard drive, you know, SSD, you have these little different screws in them. That is very difficult to use a normal standard screwdriver. So this is all plastic inside, just to let you know, and that's it, more or less. And you've got a little magnet here as well. This is some of the actual stuff that you have in here, but you'll probably have to have a look at it and see how you fancy buying one of these. So here you are. Let me just go a little bit closer up, like that. So that's bit set, if you can see, and here are all of these. It says me taking them out one by one. I can just show you like this. So pretty nice and neat. And here you are, you can have the card with all the information on there. If you want to view it a little bit more, just freeze the actual video and you'll be able to see it. And I can put this back up here, close it back, and there you are. So nice little set for you if you want to use it, and that's what you get in this little box. So if you do like this short little presentation of this video, don't forget to thumbs up to like it, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more new uploads. Thank you for watching.